I'm now going to show you a very simple test. It's called the sway test. It's a whole body test with a yes and no. And it's easy to do, and I think most people really get the hang of this. Take your hands on your chest and take a deep breath and relax. And then you ask first for a yes and then for a no. And you can also test with different names, just to practice. So for example, I'm going to relax and take a deep breath and ask for a yes. And I will slowly feel that I'm being not falling but drawn forwards. And now I'm going to ask for a no. And sometimes it takes a little bit before, especially in the beginning. Ask for a no. And I fall backwards. This is to show if you, for example, you can test yourself for a food or something you want to buy in a package or whatever it is. And you can do that and ask, is this good for me? If it's good for me, the body will go forward. And if not, it will go avoid it. So it's a very simple test that anybody can learn. So this is how you do the sway test.